first day of Christmas, Jah sent to me a sunrise blessing pon the Caribbean Sea. Warm sun, good fun. On the second day of Christmas, sweet vibes flow through. Two pots of simmer, 8 hours still feed the crew. On the third day of Christmas, sounds sweet and free. Three naya bingy drums beat in harmony. On the fourth day of Christmas, Jah breeze whisper low. Four palm trees sway by the ocean shore. On the fifth day of Christmas, lion roar alive. 5 golden lights shining Rastafari. Shine bright, keep light. On the sixth day of Christmas, Jah fill the mix. 6 little children singing Rasta lyrics. On the seventh day of Christmas, rhythm full of heaven. 7 bass lines drop, roots rock steady stepping. On the 8th day of Christmas, blessings accumulate. 8 angels guide, open up Jah gate. On the 9th day of Christmas, people unify. 9 hands lifted, praising Most High. Together as one. On the 10th day of Christmas, feast sweet again. 10 fruits overflowing, mango, guava, and cane. On the 11th day of Christmas, truth burn within. 11 candles lit for the ones them sinking. Light it bright. On the 12th day of Christmas, whole world rejoice. 12 tribes dancing